Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to arrive a new debtor from the kiosk. This video will start on the welcome screen of the kiosk. Tap on the self-service check-in button. The Face ID screen will open. Please note that a new debtor will not have an identifiable image on the system yet, therefore the debtor will not be able to use the Face ID function. Tap on the Don't Take My Photo button to proceed with the debtor arrival process. The Identify Yourself screen will open. Complete the surname. A mobile number linked with the debtor's booking. Tap on the Confirm button. The Bookings Found screen will open, stating that your booking has been found. Tap on the Yes, this is my booking button if your booking has been found. Please note that if your booking has not been located, tap on the No, these are not my bookings button. Once locating your booking, the Complete Your Documents section will open. Complete or update any desired fields if necessary. For more information regarding the various data demographic fields, please refer to the Kiosk My Details user manual linked in this video's description. Once the necessary details have been completed, tap on the Confirm Details button. A Health Data Access Request screen will open, asking if the practice is allowed to access your demographic data. Tap on Deny if you do not wish to grant the practice access to the updated data information. Tap on Approve to submit the updated demographic request to the practice. A feedback screen will open, asking you how your experience was using the kiosk. If you do not wish to give any feedback, simply tap on the Cancel button. Alternatively, fill in the necessary information and tap on the Send button. A demographic request pop-up will appear, advising that the request was successfully submitted. Click on the OK button. The self-service check-in screen will open, indicating that the data has arrived successfully.